In this video, we'll talk about how to make a girl chase you. Psychology of attraction. We're uncovering the truth about what really draws someone's interest. The art of attraction. It's not just about the outward appearances or what you might typically hear. By the end of this video, you'll understand the 5 key elements that genuinely attract others. And remember, you'll want to stay with us till the end to not miss any of these crucial points. Number 1. Understanding perspectives. Many people struggle with forming connections due to their perceptions. For centuries, the art of attraction seemed more straightforward, but recently, it's become more complex. The issue lies not in traditional methods, but in modern understanding and interaction. In today's digital age, the complexity of forming connections has escalated. The influx of technology and social media has altered the way we perceive and interact with others. People often rely on virtual communication, which can lack the depth and authenticity of face-to-face interactions. This shift has created a new layer of challenges in understanding and responding to the subtle nuances of human behavior, further complicating the art of attraction and connection. Remember to keep watching our videos till the end so you don't miss out on any important points. Number 2. The biggest misstep. A significant error many make is focusing only on words rather than actions. Listening to what someone says instead of observing what they do leads to misunderstandings. This lack of insight into human nature is why many fail in forming meaningful connections. This oversight often results in a superficial understanding of relationships. By placing too much emphasis on words, individuals miss the vital nonverbal cues and actions that reveal true intentions and feelings. Actions, after all, are a more genuine indicator of a person's character and intentions. In a world where words can be easily manipulated, paying attention to how someone acts in various situations provides a clearer, more honest perspective on their personality and compatibility for lasting connections. Stay tuned to the video, the next part is really vital. Number 3. The essence of feminine and masculine energy. The dynamic between feminine and masculine energies is crucial. These energies, though different, complement each other. Many lack an understanding of this balance, and often societal norms influence behavior, leading to energy mismatches. Recognizing and embracing these energies can enhance mutual attraction and understanding. Balancing these energies requires self-awareness and empathy. Individuals often struggle to embody their true energy due to societal expectations or personal insecurities. Understanding one's own core energy and respecting the energy of others can lead to healthier and more fulfilling interactions. When people are authentic in expressing their feminine or masculine energies, it creates an environment of honesty and openness, laying the foundation for deeper connections and mutual respect in relationships. This balance also enhances personal well-being and emotional health. When individuals honor their true energy, they align more closely with their authentic selves, leading to increased self-esteem and reduced internal conflict. This authenticity allows for more honest and meaningful communication in relationships, fostering a deeper understanding and connection. It encourages a respectful acceptance of differences, enriching the relationship with diverse perspectives and experiences, and creating a more dynamic and fulfilling bond. We are almost at the most important point. Keep watching the video. Number 4. Prioritizing life goals. A common mistake is prioritizing a partner above all else. True attraction often stems from a person who is driven, ambitious, and lives life on their own terms. A deep sense of purpose and mission in life creates a natural, attractive balance in relationships. This mistake often leads to an imbalance where personal goals and aspirations become secondary, which can result in a loss of individuality and personal growth. It's crucial to maintain a sense of self and pursue personal passions and ambitions. This not only contributes to personal fulfillment and growth, but also adds a layer of depth and intrigue to the individual, making them more attractive and interesting in a relationship. Maintaining this balance ensures that both partners can grow individually and together, fostering a dynamic and mutually supportive partnership. Moreover, when individuals prioritize their own goals and aspirations, they bring a sense of fulfillment and contentment into the relationship. This self-contentment is infectious and can inspire and motivate their partner. A relationship where both individuals are independently happy and ambitious is often stronger, as it is built on a foundation of self-sufficiency and mutual admiration. Such partnerships are characterized by equal contributions from both sides, leading to a harmonious and balanced union. Now, for the most important point. Number 5. The misconception of playing nice. Many believe that conforming to the nice guy or nice girl stereotype is the way to someone's heart. However, self-assuredness and a focus on one's own life are more genuinely appealing traits. It's about confidence and self-reliance, not manipulation or insincerity. Adhering too strictly to the nice stereotype often leads to a lack of authenticity in interactions. People are naturally drawn to those who are true to themselves and their values, rather than those who simply aim to please. Confidence and self-reliance enable individuals to establish boundaries, express their opinions, and engage in relationships as equals. These qualities foster deeper connections based on mutual respect and genuine interest, rather than on a facade maintained to gain approval or affection. This authenticity also cultivates a more fulfilling personal journey. When individuals prioritize their true selves over fitting a stereotype, they open the door to more genuine self-discovery and personal development. This self-awareness not only makes them more attractive to others, but also leads to healthier and more sustainable relationships. Being genuine in one's actions and thoughts encourages a similar honesty and openness in others, creating a solid foundation for any relationship, whether platonic or romantic. The key to genuine attraction lies in understanding these fundamental principles. It's not about quick tricks or superficial tactics. Understanding these 5 key elements can revolutionize how you interact with others. For those eager to learn more about personal growth and success, don't forget to check out the link in the description on generating passive income. And before you go, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content like this. Click the link to view the next powerful video.